Kawasaki prepares to revive a legend, the return of the Kdx200 two-stroke. In a move that has thrilled off-road enthusiasts around the globe, Kawasaki is reportedly preparing to relaunch the iconic Kdx200, a two-stroke, dirt bike that once ruled the trails with unmatched power and agility. With rumors heating up and early prototypes spotted in testing phases, the return of the Kdx200 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting comebacks in the world of motocross. First introduced in the early 1980s, the original Kdx200 quickly gained a reputation for being one of the most versatile and rider-friendly enduro bikes of its time. It combined the lightweight characteristics of a two-stroke engine with a power band that was both approachable for beginners and thrilling for experienced riders. The bike remained a favorite until production ceased in the mid-2000s, leaving a void that no other machine has quite managed to fill. The legacy of the Kdx200 has lived on in countless forums, fan builds, and vintage races, a testament to its cult status. Now, nearly 2 decades later, Kawasaki appears ready to bring this legend back to life. According to insider sources, the new Kdx200 will retain its two-stroke identity, but benefit from modern upgrades such as electronic fuel injection, improved suspension systems, and a lighter, stronger frame. While official specs remain under wraps, early reports suggest the bike is being engineered with both classic DNA and modern performance in mind. By blending nostalgia with innovation, Kawasaki is not only tapping into the passion of longtime fans but also introducing a new generation to the magic of the KDX. If all goes as planned, the reborn Kdx200 could mark the return of affordable, pure off-road performance, exactly what the dirt bike world has been craving. For the latest information, keep an eye on Moto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to develop this channel together. Thank you, see you later.